The presented case corresponds to a defensive scenario. The human pilot, in red, plays the target positioned at a close distance in front of the blue AI-controlled aircraft, which is at an attack position. The human target performs a brake maneuver to exit the AI's missile firing envelope and to reduce the maneuvering space between the aircraft. The AI then initiates a high yo-yo maneuver to control the aspect angle and not to overshoot the opponent's longitudinal axis. Then, the target, being momentarily outside the attacker's weapons envelope, tries to accelerate and gain energy for future defense. The AI immediately turns its nose in order to threaten the target and stop its acceleration. The target now realizes he is threatened again and performs a second brake maneuver. The AI has limited training on scenarios where the aspect angle is greater than 90 degrees. As a result, instead of following a lead pursuit, it goes into a lag pursuit. This gives the opportunity to the target to gain energy without allowing the AI to get a positional advantage. The human pilot then uses the additional energy gained to perform a new, more effective brake maneuver. This leads to a high aspect confrontation with the AI. The AI is again out of its training domain and flies a straight course. The human tries a counterattack, assuming that the AI will continue turning in the same direction. Given the advantage gained so far, he tries to reverse his turn to benefit from a tighter turn radius due to his lower airspeed. At this moment, the AI re-enters the training domain and continues the pursuit by reversing its turn direction. This is a rather uncommon maneuver for human pilots, associated with a risk of losing visual contact. As a result, the human pilot momentarily loses tally. Due to the two-turn reversals, the maneuvering space between the two aircraft has become more extended. This leads to a new high-aspect confrontation, which occurs at low altitude. The AI is again out of its training domain, however it avoids crashing to the ground by pulling hard on the stick. This is a quite interesting recovery, given that the lowest point of the trajectory is very close to the ground. Finally, the battle turns into a neutral scenario for which the AI has not been trained sufficiently. Therefore, it is out of the scope of this evaluation.